Yan, dito tayo ngayon sa swap meet. Ganda ng succulent. Tagahanap ako ngayon ng aking halaman na...
May mga bote. Mga vintage siguro, $8.
Ganda. Yan. Hanap tayo ng halaman ngayon mga kalalaw. Succulent. Ito ang swap meet sa Mandarin. Mandarin swap meet. I'm looking for the plant. Here you go. They have a plant in here. Hello, Rene.
Hi, Ate.
Kumusta?
Good.
Good.
How are you, Ate?
I'm good. I'm looking for the, the mother-in-law stamp.
Mother-in-law tongue?
Mm.
Oh, I've got a lot at home. I'll give you some.
Oh, thank you. Because it's nice for the oxygen inside the house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All
And that's
right.
why I want to put inside the house.
All right.
Yeah.
Are they your friends?
I don't know them. Yeah, Filipino, but I don't know them. I'm looking.
Okay.
Okay.
Hopefully you find them.
I hopefully looking for something for indoor because I'm looking for I'm making the terrarium.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes. That is nice, but mahal I think.
Go indoor.
Yeah, I got.
Those.
Yeah, I already got that one. Oh, this one is nice. I don't have this one. How much?
Yeah.
How much is that?
$8.
$8 for
Yeah,
this.
got two plants.
2 plants. I already got this one, the joy, the money plant.
They're good to grow on as a bonsai, those, when they get
Yeah.
big gnarled.
Yeah, I already got that. I
Yeah.
got plenty.
When they get all gnarled and everything, they make a good bonsai.
Yeah. The pelargonium, that is a pelargonium, isn't it?
Which one?
That one. Yeah, that one is
That's the
yeah, the citronella.
Citronella.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got too much at home. For the mozzies?
I got. Remember you give me the citronella?
Did I?
Yeah,
Oh,
the pink one.
I can't remember.
Yeah, I'm looking for something. I go for walk first, then I come back.
Yeah.
Okay. Asignium. Yan, daming mabibili dito, mga mahal, mga kalalaba. I'm looking for the nice plant. I am looking for the nice plant. Yeah. I got some more plant down there. Here. Malo is here. And lots of record. Ilan? Malo. Your ito malo, may bean bag. Where is she? Oh, they got some more plant down there. I want more plant. The cordyline. Here, plenty. We got bric-a-brac. Lots of bric-a-brac. The bag.
I had no idea what it was. And when people had asked us what it was, we said,
Yeah.
make it whatever you want it.
Here, nothing much people selling this one. They have a nice plant, the big plant down there. Quite expensive, I think, this one. Hello. What is that? Is that cordyline? Dragon trees. Oh. How much is that? $20, $40. Yeah. Thank you, love. Dragon trees. Here. All the antique stuff is here. Some bric-a-brac. Clock. Yeah, the antique stuff is here. Natural gemstone. Have a look. I don't know what is that. What's that? Yan. Yan, mga antique stuff. The amethyst is here, $5 each. And crystal. It's nice amethyst. There you go, mga lalab. Amethyst is good for healing. And crystal. Oh my goodness. Nice tablecloth in there. Looking for the plant first before I buy something.
I'm not sure, mate. I'm not sure.
And another plant. It's nothing much plant this time. Nothing much plant. I'm looking for the nice plant. They have a free stuff in there. Free toys. Free. All free. Oh, they have a nice Louis Vuitton. 50 cents. Louis Vuitton. Shoes for $1. $1. I go back to the plant. It's nothing much. Oh, they got another plant. I'm looking for the mother-in-law song or some plant that I don't have at home.
This one, Baz Ross's dad's nice place house.
Ha? Ano yan? Cross.
$10.
How much?
10.
$10.
Oh, Italy, oh. Ganda.
Italy.
Ito.
Oh, ayan.
Bubuhay.
Ayun na, may mga ano doon na yung amethyst, $5. Looking. I am looking for something, looking for nothing. I can't find the one I want. Yeah, my mother-in-law's tongue. How much is that?
Oh, no, I bought that from
Oh,
somewhere.
you bought.
Yeah.
It's alright. $5 for the succulent. It's nothing much. I think I'm late. I come very late. $20 for this. And this is for $15. Isn't it nice? Nice. I come back. And then I'm looking for coming back here again.
That was the winter fruits, and this is now of the same bush. This is the size I'm getting now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much is this, love? $8 for that? Oh, okay. I take this. That one. Hang on. I'm looking for the someone they already bought the mother-in-law stand down there. Ah.
Oh yes. I do all the veggie growing. She does all the flower growing.
Right.
Herbs. What sort of herbs is this?
It's a wormwood.
Okay.
It's a shrub about that high.
Yeah.
It's
Is it become nice and boo?
like a bug spray, you know. type
Yeah,
of
yeah,
thing.
like a citronella, something like that.
Not quite.
Not quite.
But it meant to deter fleas and different things,
Yeah.
especially around chook pens.
In the choke pens, and my choke they gonna eat.
Don't think they eat it.
And what color is that?
That one just keeps multiplying. I just don't know what the name is. I lost the tag. But it sends up a spike of white flowers.
They got the white flowers for that?
Yeah. Very hardy, actually. Mine's been out in the full sun and the full winter
Yeah.
and the full sun.
I think we've got that thing growing, and we kept pulling it out of the weed.
Yeah. Well, you're supposed to eat it.
Oh. Come out.
Yeah. Just get the other wire on it.
I take it you're local?
Bullsbrook.
That's pretty close.
Where are you from?
Bullsbrook.
Oh, Bullsbrook. It's quite far. I gotta get this.
45 minutes.
Yeah, 45 minutes drive. Not bad. Are you gonna finish already? Are you gonna go home? It's still early.
Oh,
Is that yours also?
yeah. Oh, no, not those plants.
Okay.
No, it just takes me a long time to pack up.
I want this one.
It's supposed to be out at 11 o'clock.
I just
Packed up at 11 o'clock.
until 11 o'clock. Yeah. I
There's a
gonna.
lot of people coming in, though.
Yeah, no, it's nothing much this time. Yeah, I want to get this.
No, well, the last one, or the first one they had last year was on the long weekend, and that seemed to make a big difference.
Ah,
And the long weekend was last week,
yeah.
so they've changed it.
They changed the date.
If they'd kept it to the long weekend, it might have made a big difference.
Yeah. Hang on. I'll pay you later on. But this one is mine.
Yeah.
Oh. Is it mother-in-law's tongue? This one, love. It's mother-in-law's tongue, isn't it? Yeah, can I have that one?
Sansevieria.
Yeah.
It's called Sansevieria.
Sansevieria, that's the same type of mother-in-law's tongue.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I don't like calling it mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Not very nice.
Not very nice. That's why everybody said, that is not mother-in-law's tongue. That is Sansevieria.
Would you like a bag for it?
No. I got a car down there.
Sure.
Yep.
It might be a bit dirty under there.
Okay, if you go.
Put a bag around the bottom.
And this one too, my dear.
Which one?
This one,
Rubber tree.
rubber tree.
Yeah. Toilet ako rin sa baba.
Ano to? Namumulaklak. How about this one, love? What is that?
That's Dracaena.
Dracena?
Dracaena?
They can keep indoor or...
Yeah, you can have indoors because it needs to be in the shade. So anything that needs shade can be indoors.
Yeah.
Indoors. Yeah. Did you took some of that, didn't you?
No, I haven't. What is that?
Oh, I thought you did.
No, my friend, the Indonesian girl.
Oh, look, you just.
No, I haven't.
Oh, I thought you did anyway. Doesn't matter. You can have that one.
What is that?
This one.
Yeah.
It's it's kind of
Oh, like a daisy.
daisy. Yeah.
Yeah. Is it can grow like that or
Sorry. Yeah, you just put that in the ground.
just chuck in the ground? No need to put anything. No need to put
I think it grows so
the rooting
it's
thing.
so easily. $1 each or 3 for 2, but you can have that one.
Oh, thank you.
You can have that one.
Yeah, thank you, love.
Yeah, just straight.
Just straight to the soil.
But just take some of these
Oh, yeah,
older leaves off.
yeah.
You know, because it's better. Yeah, just
So I already got 3,
so you got that.
$14 and $5,
19.
$19. Okay, and that's it because I want to pay some more down there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I owe you $19. Nakabili na tayo ng halaman. This is something like this, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. That's that one. I just put in the dirt.
Yeah.
And it.
How much is
took
that?
root. You have $4.
$4?
Put up 5, but 4. Yeah, you just put it straight in the dirt and it grows.
Never mind. I tried that one that you gave it to me.
Yeah,
I just put
that'll-
in the soil.
Yeah,
Just put on that
put
one
in
on the
soil.
ground.
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. I put that one inside the house.
Yeah, you can have it inside.
And the rubber plant.
Yeah, I might just put that in another bag.
It's not how many leaves in there. How old that one?
This one?
Yeah.
About a year, maybe a year. I always, put them in propagating mix.
Yeah.
And then when they root,
Yeah.
then I put them into a pot.
I put that one indoor.
Yeah, that can be indoors.
And they can do that one from the cutting because I saw that one in the YouTube that they can grow that one from the cutting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll just put that.
I like the quarter line, but it's quite expensive.
Oh,
Yeah, the one, the quarter line in there, the big
I
one.
really wanted to sell that too.
I got that one, but I don't know why they're suddenly dying.
Sorry?
The quarter line
Dying.
died.
Oh.
I don't know why.
I've had that in the pot for over 10 years.
For 10 years.
Oh, more.
I'll just leave it there, love. My sister is here. Here, I got $19. I'll take it 20. Here you go.
So I have to give you 30.
$30. I have this one. I got lots in there. I just do the cutting.
Which one?
Yeah, that one. What is the name?
This one.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, it's called shoe buttons.
Shoe button. Because the lady from the post office, they just give me the cutting and they grow a lot.
Yeah, they grow.
Yeah.
Shoe. It doesn't like full sun.
Yeah, no, I put in the patio.
Yeah. I'll put that in.
Yeah, just leave it there, love.
I'll just put it in a bag for you.
Yeah. Oh, here. Oh, someone there. You bought the.
Yeah, I bought that.
You bought that. Okay, I pay this first. I pay my things. Where is she? Where is the lady? Is this rosemary?
Rosemary,
Yeah, how much is that?
$4.
$4.
Or any of those plants, 3 for 10.
3 for 10.
Take some, yeah.
Here you go, love.
So that one.
Is this flowering or just a shrub?
Yeah, it has flowers. Very similar
For that one?
flowers to
Yeah, the one.
that one. Yeah, they're
Yeah.
not open at the moment, but
Ah, yeah. This different one. What they call this?
that's the same family as that.
Ah, same family.
Yeah.
$5. $5. Ayo.
Well, if you like, you can take that for the $2. It's a $5 plant.
$2.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can have. I can have that one
Yeah.
for $10.
Yeah, and I'll keep you $2.
Yeah, thank you, love.
Throw it in a basket, and
Yeah, I got lots of.
Brucinella will creep over as well.
Yeah, I got lots of.
Yeah.
I got lots of hanging basket at home. Yeah. Shrub fruit looks like honeydew melon size of apple pipino. Thank you.
Okay.
Punta pa tayo dito sa kabila. This is kind of mother-in-law's tongue. Eh?
Yeah, it's a small one.
The small one. How much is that?
Miniature. They're on that. They're 8. They are.
$8 for that. There's something they're cutting. Eh?
Sorry.
The top one. Okay, can I have that one, love?
You can divide them up.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And what is this? Are they the same thing, same, but it's different color.
That's variegated. They are.
Yeah, variegated.
Those two are very expensive plants. That one and the mother-in-law's one.
Yeah. What is this?
That's a mother-in-law's tongue. That's a variegated one.
Same. Oh,
But they're the very expensive ones. They are.
also $8.
Well, you can have 2 for 15.
2 for $15.
Yeah.
And both that one?
And that one's 8. So
Oh,
say
no, that is $8.
that's 8. So you didn't want that one.
No,
Okay.
this is nice. Yeah, that is something. Is that mother-in-law's tongue?
Yeah. It's a variegated, very slow to grow.
Never see that one before, but in Philippines now I saw one mother-in-law's tongue they call millionaire. One leaves is really wide like this.
Yep.
Yeah.
See, my one I've got in the ground at home is a little bit different to this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
The nursery guys are there.
is it next month they have another swap meet?
Not till November the 24th.
Oh, November.
Yeah.
We are not home. We are not here.
Yeah.
So we went to, yeah. Hang on. So $8. $2 for
Otherwise you can
15.
have 2 for 15.
2 for $15 for that.
If you want that one.
Okay, hang on. So $15 plus 8 is 20. Where's my money?
I'll say you wanted those two.
Yeah.
Okay. So just
So I spent too much money for the plant today. So how much is that?
We'll just make it 22.
$22. 22. $20.
DKNY.
Wow. What's that? DKNY.
DKNY.
Oh, ayan. May DKNY ka na.
Pagkapili sa Pilipinas.
Oh, ayan, marami na akong halaman.
Did you buy that?
Thank you, my dear.
I bought $4.
I spend a lot of money for the plant and my sister. Okay, mga lalab. Ayan, I spend too much money for the plant. Doing gardening today.
Well, if you didn't spend it on plants, you'd spend it on something else.
I like plant. If my husband home, we spend a lot of money to buy plant in Midland in Banning.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well,
Yeah.
we go Bunnings there too quite regularly, yeah.
Yeah, where are you from?
Bullsbrook.
Bullsbrook.
But only
They're
when it
also
comes out,
Bullsbrook.
And that's Laurel, my sister.
Oh, that is your sister?
Yep.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so...
We used to have a block of land in Bindun.
oh, yeah.
Yeah, but we sold. And then we bought the house in here.
Oh,
Yeah.
this would be a nicer area. No,
It's nice place.
plenty of places to go to.
Yeah.
Quicker.
Oh, if you want to stay in the B&B, come to my place.
Yung malalagyan pala ng battery ito, walang lagayan.
Bubuksan yan ng ano dito, ah. Dito bubuksan yan ng ano. Dalan mo sa ano, sa Midland, doon sa center point. Mas mura sa center point magpalagay ng battery. Tulungan mo na ako maglagay doon. Ayun pa, kunin mo muna yung nandoon. Ayan mga lalab, at mag-end na tayo. Pauwi na kami at ako ay magagarden yung nasa plastic bag. Ayan. Oo. Oo. Ayan. Uwi na kami mga lalab. Thank you so much for watching. Ayan, this is Mandaring Sports Club, Sports Center. Tapos meron pa ako doon kay... Ayun. Dami raw na halaman. Ayan. Are you packing now? Are you going home now?
Ihakotin ko isa-isa. Nasaan pa?
Ayun, ito oh, yung hanging basket. Ayan. Oo. Ayan. Oh.
Ihakotin ko muna.
Oo. O, diba? Dami kong halaman, mga kalalab. I like this one, the succulent.
Yeah, we write that down. 15.
$15.
20, yeah.
Yeah. It's nice,
This
huh?
one's a really big, heavy one.
Yeah. How about this one? How much is that, love?
That one's $4. That was. You can have it for $3.
Hang on, I got the change that you give it to me. How much gold coins I got?
Just $3 will be
I got $3 here.
lovely.
Thank you, my dear.
Give me.
Yeah. Thank you, love.
Thank you.
You see, I spend a lot of money. Ayan, nice succulent. Ayan. O, diba?
They're cheaper than bunnies.
Yeah. Some I put that one in the terrarium. I'm making the terrarium. I'm making terrarium. Yeah. That is giveaway for my friend for Christmas. And this is the pig face, isn't it? Is that pig face? Yeah. Naka $60 tayo sa halaman. I like the Siginium.
Syngonium.
Yeah, Siginium. I got a variegated
Yep.
with the pink color.
Yeah. That one, oh, I know, the pink one, yep.
Yeah, and then I have the green dot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And then I have a white one.
So you're getting out of this stuff.
eventually, yeah, but I need to get rid of a lot of my plants.
You got a lot more at home.
Yeah. Because I only go to a few now, and it's all I get to do is just put them onto the next size pots all the damn time.
Yeah.
And I don't want to be doing that, and I'm breaking up a lot of my good stuff that I've got. And just put
Ito, maraming relo.
get rid of the ones to get rid of.
Relo.
Relo.
So you
Ito, mga local. Sige, mga salalab, thank you. Mag-uuwian na rin sila. Maraming thank you sa panonood sa aking video, mga lalab. Spend too much money for my plant. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a blessed Sunday. Bye-bye.